Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with us, and her name is Julie. So, today we're going to show you how to make slime with no glue. So, the ingredients you'll need to make this no glue slime is some Model Magic and some lotion. So let's get started. Right, Julie?
Yeah, so excited.
And so we're just going to have a little piece of slime. I can't see, sorry. This is the best lighting we have.
But not that much. No, not all of it. Not all of it, please, not all of it. That's it. All I'm gonna... Are you serious?
So this is how much we're going to have. So let's get started. So we're going to put it down here. Sorry if you can't see. The lighting, again, the lighting. So we're going to use some lotion. You could use water. You could use aloe vera gel, but we're just using lotion. I added way too much. Okay, she's going to do it. Do it.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's way too much. But I need some more. It's kind of like shaving cream.
Yeah, it's kind of like shaving cream and moisturizer.
And you're just going to want to mix it with your hands.
Knead it real good. And we'll be back once we're done. Okay, guys, we are done with the process. Mine is very stretchy.
So is mine, but in tiny form.
So now we're just going to poke it.
And guys, it's almost time for me to leave, so.
Thank you guys for watching my channel. Click the likes and go check her channel. Her channel is called Cutie Pie Cute.
Yes, please do it.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye!